the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.